Why is video essential for your business or your personal brand? I'm Carrie Barrett. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm here to talk to you about my VIQ project, Video Academy. It's a course that teaches business owners, coaches, consultants, and B2B, perhaps B2C service providers, how to create compelling and effective DIY marketing video for all stages of your funnel. We talk about time, we talk about tech, we talk about how to be compelling on camera. That's one of the things that makes this particular course different from so many of the other courses that you see out there. We also talk about actual content creation. If you are a course creator or creating a digital program for your students or clients, you're going to have to put video out there. So in module 1, we'll be talking about how to find your identity, how to find your voice, who it is specifically that you're talking to, you finding your audience and your ideal person. And we'll also be talking about how you show up every single day, why that is important, what it does for your growth, what it does for your visibility, your credibility, and your authority. If you're interested, check out that link below.